Now today introduce yourself, question answer. This will be the last class for introduce yourself, question answer session and conversational skill. That is to say, someone will ask the questions and other person will answer. Now I will first ask the questions to students. Mr. Arnav Talukdar from Nadia, switch on your microphone and switch on your video. Mr.
Sir.
Arnav Talukdar from switch on your video.
Yes, sir.
Switch on your video. I'm not watching. I'm not able to watch you.
সুইচ অনই তো আছে।
Okay, no problem. I'm not watching. Okay. Arnav, what is your name?
My name is Arnab Talukdar.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Gautam Talukdar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Chandana Talukdar.
What is your brother's name?
I have no brother.
What is your sister's name?
I have no sister.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 22nd of June. 22nd of June.
When were you born?
I was born on 2015.
I was born on 27th of June in 2015. Repeat the sentence. When were you born?
I was born on 22 June of 2015.
In 2015. Where do you live?
I live in Kachrapada.
What do you do?
I am a student.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 1.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our school is Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Kachrapada.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is chicken biryani.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is remote car.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is dog.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is cricket.
What do you dislike most?
I dislike beating the most.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing and drawing.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a soldier in future.
Okay, Arnav. I'll come to next student. Mr. Supratik Banerjee from Konnagar. Switch on your video and switch on your microphone. What is your name?
My name is Supratik Banerjee.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Shantanu Banerjee.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Priyanka Banerjee Chakraborty.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Monuman Chatterjee.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Pottalika Banerjee.
How old are you?
বলো
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
ও আপনি 7 ইয়ার্স ওল্ড?
No, 6 years old.
ঠিক করে পুরো সেন্টেন্স বলো।
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 10 July.
When were you born?
2015.
When were you born? I
I
was born on
was born. I was
On?
born on 10th July
in
2015.
okay. When were you born? I was
Bolo.
born on
I
I
was born.
was.
I was born
I was
on 10 July in
in
2015. 2015.
okay. Next one, third time chance. When were you born?
I was born on 10th July in 2015.
When were you born?
I was born.
ঠিক করে বলো।
I was born on 10th July 2015.
10th July in 2015. When were you born?
I was
I
born.
was.
I was born on 10 July in 2015.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live at Konogor.
Where are you
In
from?
Hooghly.
Where are you from?
I am from Konogor.
What do you do?
I am a student.
In which class do you study?
I study in class primary.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our school is Uttapara Government High School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
My favorite subject, mathematics. Complete sentence. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is chicken biryani.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is remote car.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is dog.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
What do you dislike most?
I dislike most BT.
ঠিক করে বলো ফুল সেন্টেন্স।
I dislike beating the most.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and singing. I want to be a
দাঁড়াও
pilot.
দাঁড়াও।
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a pilot in Indian Air Force in future. Thank you very much for this session.
Okay, you are welcome. Ginny Ghosh, what is your name?
My name is Gini Ghosh.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Biswajit Ghosh.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Supriti Ghosh.
What is your brother's name?
I have no brother.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Sanidha Ghosh.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 11th August.
When were you born? When were you born?
I was born on 11th August in 2014.
Where do you live?
I live in Ganeshpur.
Where are you from?
I am from Ganeshpur.
What do you do?
I am a student.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 1.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our school is Simulia Primary School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Bengali.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is pasta.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is Barbie doll.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is rabbit.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is making building.
What do you dislike the most?
I dislike beating the most.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and singing.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a computer engineer in the future.
Arnab Talukdar from Nadia. Arnab Talukdar, switch on your mobile microphone first. Arnab Talukdar, switch on your microphone first.
sir.
Now first, rapid fire question. What is your name?
My name is Arnab Talukdar.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Gautam Talukdar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Chandana Talukdar.
What is your brother's name?
My brothers, I have no brother.
What is your sister's name?
I have no sister.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 22nd of June.
When were you born?
I was born on 22nd of 2015.
I was born on 22nd of June in 2015. When were you born?
I was born on 2000.
I was born on 22nd of June in 2015.
I was born
Complete the sentence.
on 22nd of June in 2015.
No mistake. When were you born? I was born on 22nd of June in 2015. Tell me, when were you born?
I was born on 22nd of June in 2015.
Okay.
স্যার এই দুটোতে একটুখানি প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বলার সময় ওটা
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Kachrapara.
Where are you from?
I have from Kachrapara. Kachrapara na.
What do you do?
Student.
What do you do? What do you do?
I have
What do you do?
I am A student.
A student.
In which class do you study?
I study in
I
class
study
1.
in class 1.
What is the name of your school?
Name of our school is
Our school is
Kendra.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite
My
subject is
favorite subject
mathematics.
is mathematics.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is
My
chicken
favorite
biryani.
dish is chicken biryani.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color
My
is red.
favorite color is red.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
My
is
favorite toy
remote
is
control car.
remote control car.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet
My
is dog.
favorite pet is dog.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite
My
sports
favorite
is
sports
cricket.
is cricket.
What do you dislike the most?
I dislike beating the moon.
dislike beating the moon.
What are your hobbies?
My
I
hobbies are
hobbies are
playing and
playing
drawing.
drawing.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are
My
playing
hobbies
and
are
drawing.
playing and drawing.
What do you want to be in the future?
Mm,
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be
I
a
want to
soldier
be
in
a
future.
soldier in future.
Okay, Arnab. Guinea horse.
My
How
name
may I
is
call you?
My name is Kiniko.
How may I call you? How may I call you? Hello? How may I call you? Guinea horse, answer the question. How may I call you?
How meow
Meow.
May I call you?
may I call you?
May I call you?
What is the answer? How may I call you?
Guinea horse.
Guinea horse.
No, my name is Guinea horse is the answer. How do people call
My
your
name is
father?
Guinea
My
horse.
name is Guinea horse.
How do people call your father?
My father's name
My
is
father's
Mr.
name is
Bikati.
Mr. Bikati.
By which name is your mother familiar to us?
My mother's
My
name is
mother's
Mrs.
name is
Bikati.
Mr.
Do you have a brother?
No, I have no
No, I
brother.
have no brother.
What is the name people call your elder sister?
My elder sister's
My
name
elder
is
sister's
Amrita.
name is Amrita.
Tell me your age in years. Tell me your age in years.
I am 7 years
I am
old.
7 years old.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
My birthday
My
is on
birthday
11th
is on
August.
11th August.
In which year were you born?
I was born
I was born
11th August
11th
in
August in
I am asking in which
2014.
year.
2014.
I am asking in which year were you born? In which year? Year means 2020, 2021 like that. In which year were you born? I was born in 2014.
I was born
I was born
in in
in
in
2014.
2014.
2014.
Okay. Where is your house? Where is your house? Where is your house? House means building where you stay. Where is your house? Miss Guinea Ghosh, are you there? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is your house? Your house. Where is your house? House means where you stay. Where is your house? Where is your house?
Ganeshpur.
Ganeshpur.
No, complete sentence. My house is in Ganeshpur, right?
My
Or
house is
or
in Ganeshpur.
In Ganeshpur.
you may also say I live in Ganeshpur. Okay. Other than playing, reading books, what do you do? Other than playing, what do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Okay. Can you remember the name of your school? Can you remember the name of your school?
The name of
The
our
name
school is
of
Senior
our school
Primary
is
School.
Senior Primary School.
In which class? In which class do you go to for study?
I study in
I
class 1.
study in class 1.
Which subject you like most? Which subject do you like most?
My favorite
My favorite
subject is Bengali.
subject is Bengali.
Which food is your favorite? Which food is your
My favorite
favorite?
food
My
is
favorite
pasta.
food is pasta.
Among four toys, Barbie doll, soft toys,
My
teddy bear,
favorite
which you
toy
like
My
is
favorite
most?
Barbie
toy
doll.
is Barbie doll.
There are a dog, a rabbit, and a cat. Which one you prefer the most?
My favorite pet
My
is rabbit.
favorite pet is rabbit.
You can go for playing, making building, playing cricket, and playing football. Which one you will pick up?
My favorite sport
My
is
favorite
making
sport is
believe.
making believe.
If you are beaten by your mother, then what will be your feeling? If you are
Repeat
beaten by
the
your
question.
mother,
Repeat the question.
if your mother beats you, then what will be your feeling? If your mother beat you, what will be your feeling?
Mane?
Mane?
The meaning is how you will feel. You will be crying, you will be smiling, you will be laughing, you will be dancing. If your mother beats
My
you,
hobbies are
My
drawing and
hobbies are
singing.
drawing and singing.
no, I am not asking that. If your mother beats you, beats means to hit you with a stick, with a green stick. If your mother beats you, then what will you do? You will be crying, you will be smiling. Which one? Hello? If your mother beats you, beats, beats, with a green stick on your back, then what will you feel? You will be smiling, you will be crying.
Sir, mane?
Beating means, what is the meaning of beating? That is the same. If your mother is, suppose your mother is beating you, you will cry, you will smile. What will you do?
I dislike beating the moon.
Yes, you will cry. Beating means with a green stick on your back, hitting it, right? So you'll feel pain. Other than study, what activities do you like the most? Other than study, what activities do you like the most? Other than study, which activities do you like the most? Other than
Drawing.
study, which activities do you like the most? Other than study, I like the activities like
I like
drawing,
the
singing,
moon.
painting.
Drawing.
If the sentences are changed, then Guinea goes, your brain is totally out, right? So in the interview, you will have to know more about things, right? These are the standard questions. The answer are same, but question will be asked from different angles. Okay, what is your aim in life? What is your aim in life? Aim, A-I-M, aim. What is your target in life?
My hobbies are drawing and singing.
What is your aim in life? What is your aim in life? You are a student and you're for in the future, near future, what is your aim?
I want to be a
Let's say-
computer engineer in the future.
Yes, that is the answer. Okay, very right. Mr. Supratik Banerjee from Konnagar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me your name.
My name is Shupati Banerjee.
How is your father called?
My father's name is Mr. Shantanu Banerjee.
How can you introduce your mother?
My mother's name is Mrs. Priyanka Banerjee Chakraborty.
May I know the name of your sister?
My elder sister name is Motalika Banerjee.
Okay, then
My
what is the
elder
name
brother's
of your
name
elder?
is Motalika.
No. What is your elder brother's name?
My elder brother's name is Bunumata.
Oh my God! Now, how many years are you old?
Repeat the question.
What is your age?
I am 6 years old.
How many candles? How many candles do you use in your last birthday celebration?
Repeat the question.
How many candles did you use on your last birthday? How many candles on your birthday cakes?
I choose 5, 6 candles.
Six candles. Okay. In which year were you born? In 2014, like 2015, like that. In which year were you born?
I was born in 2015.
2015, not 50.
15.
Okay. Where can I meet you? If I want to meet you, where can I meet you? If I can.
I live at
if
Konagar.
Yes, that is the answer. Where can people find Mr. Supratik Banerjee? Where can people find Mr. Supratik Banerjee?
I am from Konagar.
Yes.
In Hungary district.
Okay. Other than playing, running, and doing all those things, what does Supratik do?
student.
I am a student.
May I know the name of your school?
The name of our
Name of our
school is
school is
Uttupar Government High
Uttupar
School.
Government High School.
What is your class?
I studied in
I
class
studied in
primary.
class 2 primary.
Which book or subject is your most favorite?
My favorite subject
My favorite
is
subject
mathematics.
is mathematics.
Which food do you like the most?
My favorite
Which
food
food?
is
Yes,
Favorite food is
chicken biryani.
chicken biryani.
Red, white, green, purple. Which dress do you like to wear?
My favorite color is red.
Color is red.
So what will be the answer? Which dress will you pick up? Red dress, green dress, pink dress? Which one?
Red dress.
Red dress.
Okay. In a toy shop, you are in a toy shop. So what will you buy? Which toy will you buy?
I buy
I buy
ribbon car.
ribbon car.
Okay, yes, I shall buy a remote car. Hmm. In a big playing ground, there are many sports people are, students are, and young children are also playing. So, which sport you will play there?
I play
In a big
football.
I
ground.
play football.
Yes, I will play football or I shall play football. Okay. Supratik is crying. What is the cause?
My mother's name
My
is
mother's name is
No. Supratik is crying. Crying, smiling. Crying means
mother's name.
no. Supratik is
Mother
crying.
is-
Crying.
is
So what is the cause of
my
that?
mother
my
is
mother is
beating
beating
me.
me.
Okay, that may be the cause, one of them. Hmm. At the age of 25, how will Supratik look like? At the age, now you are 6 years old. At the age of
I want-
25,
I want
okay, tell me.
I want
I
to
want
be
to be
a pilot in
pilot
Indian Air
in
Force.
Indian Air Force.
Yes.
Thank you very
So the
much for
question
the
will be-
session.
For the session.
So the question will be asked like that, okay? Many people, many ideas, but answer will be same.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to
Yes, sir.
you have to make your brain strong enough and read more so that what other people can ask you. But the answer will be all same. Answer will be all of them in 22,
Okay,
23
sir.
sentences.
Yes, sir.
But question may be different. Mr. Arnab Talukdar from
Yes, sir.
Nadia.
Yes, sir.
How may I call you?
My name is Arnab
My name is
Talukdar.
Arnab Talukdar.
You may call me Arnab Talukdar or Arnab. Right answer. What is your father's name?
My father's name
My
is
father's
Mr.
name
Gopal.
is Mr. Gopal.
Can you tell me your mother's name?
My mother's
My
name
mother's name is
is Arnab Talukdar.
Talukdar.
Answer will be yes, sir. I can say my mother's name is.
My mother.
Yes.
My mother. Yes.
I am asking. Can you tell me your mother's name?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
My mother's name is
His name is
Mr. Talukdar.
Talukdar.
What is your age?
I am 7 years
I am 7
old.
years old.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
My
My
birthday.
birthday
My birthday is on
on
22nd of
22nd of
What is the year of your birth?
Bird. I was born on.
What is the year of your birth?
I was born on. I was born in 22nd of June.
I'm asking the year. I'm asking the year like 2014, 15, 20, 2020. Answer will be that. What is your birth year?
I was born 2000.
No. I was born in 2015.
I
Before
was
year, it
born.
is easy. Okay. Where can I meet you? Where can I meet you? M-double-A-T, meet means Milna. Where can I meet you?
Hmm?
Where can I meet you?
Meet you.
Where is your house?
Hmm.
Where is your
Kachrapat.
house? No, complete sentence. Where is your
I live.
house?
I live in Kachrapada.
Other than playing, running, and etc., what is you known for?
Sir, repeat please.
Other than playing, running, etc., what is your other job?
Playing.
I am telling, other than playing, singing, dancing, what is the other job you do?
I am a student.
Yes. May I know the name of your school?
My school name. Name of our school is
Which subject you like the most? Which subject
My
do you like the most?
Favorite subject.
My favorite subject is mathematics.
What is your favorite food? FWD food.
My favorite food is biryani.
Okay. If your mother buys a shirt for your Durga Puja festival, which one will you pick? Red, green, blue, pink, white?
Red.
So answer, I will pick the red one.
I
I will or
I-
I shall pick the red one.
will. I pick
Pick. P-I-C-K. Pick the red one.
the red one.
In Ranaghat, there is a big stadium or a playground. Young children are playing. So which sport would you like to join there?
Cricket.
Complete sentence. I will join with the cricket team. I will
I
join
will.
cricket team.
Cricket team. I will join with the cricket.
Arnav is crying very loudly. What may be the cause?
My mother beating the most.
No. My mother is beating, so I am crying. Okay.
My mother
Other than study, and I am crying for that. and I am crying for that. Okay, now,
I am thankful for that.
Thanks for that.
okay. All this video lesson, today's video lesson, when it will be recorded, you will all write down all the points, question I have said here. Right? Okay, other than study, what does Arnab do? Other than
I am-
study, what do you do? No, other than study, what do you do?
Playing.
Playing.
Playing what? Other than study, what does Arnab do? Listen to the
Playing.
question.
Playing.
No, playing what? It is not accepted. Complete sentence. I play cricket, football, etc.
I play
I
cricket.
play cricket.
At the age of 25, what will Arnab do?
5.
Five.
At the age of 25, now you are 6 years old or 7 years old. Now at the age of 25, when you grow up as a 25-year-old young man, then what will you be?
I want
I want.
I want to
I want to.
I want to
I want to
I want to.
I want to
I
I
think-
want
soldier.
to soldier.
Oh my God, I want to be a soldier. At the age
I
of
want to
25,
I
I want
want
to
to be.
be a
এটা ঠিক করে
soldier.
বলো।
I want to be
I
a
want to be
soldier.
a soldier.
Okay. Now, Sayantika Soren,
Thank you.
Thank you.
welcome.
Yes.
Yes.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a nursing teacher.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby
My
is
hobby is
drawing.
drawing.
What do you dislike most? What do you dislike the most? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Football.
My favorite, not favorite. My favorite sport is football. What is your favorite pet?
My favorite, my favorite,
My
My
favorite,
favorite. My favorite.
favorite
favorite
pet is dog.
dog.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite,
My favorite
my
What is your
Favorite.
favorite toy?
favorite
toy.
My favorite, not my favorite.
My favorite,
my
favorite
favorite
toy is Barbie
Toy.
doll.
is Barbie doll.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite?
What is your favorite
Don't
My
repeat the question, you will answer only.
color,
What is your favorite color?
my favorite
favorite
color is
Not
pink.
my not favorite, favorite, not favorite. Favorite. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite,
My
favorite
su-
subject is English.
subject is English.
What is the name of your school?
The
The
name of
name
our
of
school
our
is
school is
Bagbaja
Bagbaja
Multipurpose Girls
Multipurpose
School.
Girls School.
Girls school. In which class do you
Girls.
study?
Girls.
In which class do you study?
I study
I
in class
study in
3.
class 3.
What do you do?
I am a
I
student.
am a student.
Where are you from?
Mm.
Where are you from? Where do you live? Where do you
I
live?
live in
I live
Kolkata.
in Kolkata.
When were you born?
I born.
I born.
When were you born?
Uh, I born.
I born.
Wrong. When is your birthday?
My birthday
My
is on
birthday is on
3rd November
November
2012.
2012.
My birthday is on 3rd November in 2012. Tell me the sentence again. When is your birthday?
Orange your birthday.
Orange your birthday.
My
My
birthday
birthday
is on
is on
3rd
3rd
November
November
in 2012.
2012.
Okay. What is your sister's name?
I have no
I have
sister.
no sister.
What is your age?
Huh?
Huh?
What is your age? What is your age? Age. Age means
Age.
9 years, 8 years, 7 years, 50 years, 100 years.
I am
What is your
I
age?
am
I am full.
What is your brother's name?
my brother's
My
name is
brother's
Soni.
name is Soni.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's
My
name is
mother's
Mrs.
name is
Kalpana
Mrs.
Sada.
Kalpana Sada.
What is your father's name?
My father's
My
name is
father's name is
Mr. Singrai Saran.
Sundar Saran.
How can I know your name?
My
How
name is
can I
My
know?
Sarantika
name is
Saran.
Sarantika Saran.
Okay, that is great. Mr. Supratik Banerjee. Mr. Supratik
Yes, sir.
Banerjee.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be
I
pilot
want to be
in
pilot
Indian Air Force in
Indian Air
future.
Force in future.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and
Hobbies are
singing.
drawing and singing.
What do you dislike the most?
I dislike
I dislike
beating the most.
beating the most.
What is your favorite sport?
My first sport is
First
football.
sport is football.
What is your favorite pet?
My first pet is dog.
Pet is dog.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is
My
remote
favorite
car.
car is remote car.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is
My
red.
favorite color is red.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is chicken
My favorite
biryani.
dish is chicken biryani.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject
My
is
favorite
math.
subject is math.
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
What is the name of your school?
My-
The
The name of
name of
our school
our
is Uttapur Government High School.
Government High School.
In which class do you study?
I study in
I
class 2
studied
primary.
in class 2 primary.
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Where are you from?
I am from
I
Konugot.
am from Konugot.
Where do you live?
I live at Konugot.
I live at Konugot.
When were you born?
I was born
I
on
born on
10 July
10 July
in 2015.
2015.
What is your birth? When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 10 July.
On 10 July.
In 10 July.
In 10 July.
On 10 July.
On 10 July 2015.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 10 July
On 10 July
in 2015.
2015.
What is your sister's name?
My elder sister
My
name
elder
is
sister
Potkalika
name is
Banerjee.
Potkalika Banerjee.
What is your father's name?
My father's name
My
is
father's name
Mr.
is
Shantanu
Mr.
Banerjee.
Shantanu Banerjee.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name
My
is
father's name is
Elaborate's name is
Elaborate's name is
Monoma Chatterjee.
Monoma Chatterjee.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name
My
is
mother's name is
Mrs. Priyanka Banerjee
Mrs.
Horowitz.
Priyanka Banerjee Horowitz.
What do your friends call you?
My name is
My
Suprati
name is
Banerjee.
Supratik Banerjee.
Okay, thank you. Guinea horse from Ganeshpur.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a computer
I want to be a
engineer in the
computer
future.
engineer in the future.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing
My
and
hobbies are
singing.
drawing and singing.
What do you dislike the most?
I dislike
I
beating the most.
dislike beating the most.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite
My
sport
favorite
is making
sport
building.
is making building.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite
My
pet is
favorite
rabbit.
pet is rabbit.
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
My
is
favorite
Barbie
toy
doll.
is Barbie doll.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color
My
is pink.
favorite color is pink.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish
My
is pasta.
favorite dish is pasta.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject
My
is
favorite
Bengali.
subject is Bengali.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our
The
school
name
is
of our
Simulia
school
Primary
is
School.
Simulia Primary School.
In which class do you study?
I study in class
I
1.
study in class 1.
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Where are you from?
I am from
I am
Ganeshpur.
from Ganeshpur.
Where do you live?
I live in
I
Ganeshpur.
live in Ganeshpur.
When were you born?
I was born
I was born
When were you
11th
born?
August
11th
in
August in
2014.
2014.
Complete the sentence. When were you born?
I was born
I was born
11th August
11th August.
I was born on 11th August. On 11th August.
I was born
I
on
was born on
11th August in
11th August in
2014.
2014.
When is your birthday?
My birthday
My birthday
is on
is
11th
on
August.
11th August.
What is your brother's name?
I have no
I
brother.
have no brother.
What is your father's name?
My father's name
My
is Mr.
father's name is
Vishnu.
Mr. Vishnu.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's
My
name is
sister's
Shanita
name
Ghosh.
is Shanita Ghosh.
What is your name?
My name is Guinea
My
Ghosh.
name is Guinea Ghosh.
What is your elder sister's mother's name?
My elder sister's
My
name
elder
is Sanita
sister's name
Khul.
is Sanita Khul.
What is your elder sister's mother's name?
My mother's name
My
is
mother's
Mrs.
name is
Sukriti Khul.
Mrs. Sukriti Khul.
Okay. Mr. Arnab Talukdar from
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nadia. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a
To be a
What do you want to be in the future?
want to be
No, complete the sentence. You are not correctly speaking. What do you want to be in the future? Loudly, speak loudly.
I want to
I want to
be a
be a
soldier
soldier in
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are
are
playing and driving.
and drive.
What do you dislike the most? What do you dislike the most?
I dislike
the
What is your favorite sport?
my favorite
my favorite sport is
What? Your answer is not loud. You are telling my favorite sport is, then finish.
cricket.
Complete at
My
a,
favorite
at a glance.
Sport is cricket.
What is your favorite pet?
my favorite pet
My
is dog.
favorite pet is dog.
Yes, that should be the answer. What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy
My
is
favorite toy is
remote control car.
remote control car.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color
My
is red.
favorite color is red.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is
My
chicken
favorite
biryani.
dish is chicken biryani.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject
My
is
favorite
mathematics.
subject is mathematics.
What is the name of your school?
The name of our
The
school
name of our school is
is Kendra Vidyalaya number 1 Gachibara.
number 1 Gachibara.
In which class do you study?
I study in
I
class
study in
1.
class 1.
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
Where are you from?
I am from
I am from
Nadia in West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Where do you live?
I live in
Live
Kachirapara.
in Kachirapara.
When is your birthday?
My birthday
My
is
birthday is
on 22nd
22nd
June 2015.
2015.
No. Complete the sentence at one go. My birthday is on 22nd June in 2015. Like that.
My birthday
When is
is
your birthday?
Is on
Right, listen to me. When is your birthday?
my birthday
my
is
birthday
on
is on
22nd
22nd
of
Not correct answer. At one go you have to say. My birthday is on 22nd.
my birthday is
my
on
birthday
22nd.
is on 22nd
What? You know that answer.
June.
22nd what? Hello?
My birthday is on 22nd of June in 2015.
2015.
My birthday is on 22nd June or July. What you told, I could not remember. Can you tell me the sentence
My
once again?
birthday is
বলো জোরে বলো
my birthday is on
My birthday is on
my birthday is on
my birthday is on
22nd of June
of June
2015.
15.
Not not accepted. You have to practice. You have to say one sentence at one go. Like, my birthday is on 22nd June in 2015. You cannot say, my birthday is on, and then forget. No, that will be not accepted. At one go, you have to finish, right? What is your sister's name?
I have no
I
sisters.
have no sister.
What is your brother's name?
I have no brother.
I have no brother.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr.
My
Gautam
father's name is
Talukdar.
Mr. Gautam Talukdar.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs.
My
Chandana
mother's name is
Talukdar.
Mrs. Chandana Talukdar.
What is your name?
My name is Sannab
My
Talukdar.
name is Sannab Talukdar.
Yes, like that. Complete sentence at one go, right? Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you.
Arnav,
Thank you.
Is it your class time?
Yes, sir.
স্যার এখন
Yes,
ক্লাস
sir.
আছে
Okay, then you may leave.
আছে।
You may leave. I am asking for that. Okay, Arnav, you can leave. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, friend.
Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, friend.
Okay.
Bye.
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 Mr. Suprati
Ma.
Banerjee will ask the question
Ma.
and Shantika Soren will answer.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Shantika Soren, switch on your microphone.
My name is Sayantika
My
Sare.
name is Sayantika Sare.
What is your father's
What
name?
is your father's name?
My father's name is
My
Mr.
father's
Singray
name is
Sare.
Mr. Singray Sare.
What is your mother's name?
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is
My mother's name is
How do you do?
How do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
What is your birthday?
What is your birthday?
My birthday is
My
on
birthday is on
3rd November.
3rd November.
স্যার শোনা যাচ্ছে না কথা?
শোনা যাচ্ছে না কথা?
No problem.
ইকো হচ্ছে।
You ask and
ইকো হচ্ছে।
two people are talking, so echo will be there. No problem. You continue.
What do you live?
What do you live?
I live in Kolkata.
I live in Kolkata.
Which class do you reading?
Which class do you reading?
I reading class
I
3.
reading class 3.
What is the name of your
What
school?
is the name of your school?
The name of our
The
school
name
is
of our
Dr.
school is
College.
College.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years old. Not I am 8 years old. Shantika Soren, I am 8 years old.
I am 8 years
I
old.
am 8 years old.
What is your favorite subject?
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
My favorite
English.
subject is English.
What is your favorite toy?
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite
My
toy
favorite
My favorite. My favorite.
my favorite
My
toy
favorite
is Barbara Michelle Robertson.
Robertson.
What is your favorite?
What is your favorite?
What is your favorite
What is your favorite
dish?
dish?
My favorite
My
dish
favorite
is
dish
biryani.
is biryani.
What is your
What is
favorite
your favorite
meat?
sport? Sport.
My favorite
My
sport
favorite
is
sport is
football.
football.
What is your favorite
What
color?
is your favorite color?
My favorite
My
favorite
favorite
is
color is pink.
what is your
What
favorite
is your favorite pet?
my favorite
My
favorite
favorite
dog.
pet dog.
What is your favorite
What is
vegetable?
your favorite vegetable?
What is your
What
favorite
is your favorite
chocolate?
chocolate?
Santika, sorry, if you do not attend the class completely, then you will not be able to learn many things, right? So you are not. What is your favorite chocolate? Do you not know? Cadbury,
No.
Milky Bar,
No.
Dairy Milk. Have you ever eaten chocolate?
Me.
My
My favorite
favorite
milk.
milk.
Chocolate is
Chocolate is milk.
Chocolate
milk,
is milk.
milk, milk chocolate, or I don't know, dairy milk maybe.
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
My
My
hobby
hobby
is
is
what do you want
My
to
hobby
be
is-
what do
future?
you want to be future?
No, no, my hobby is Santika. My hobby is
My hobby
My hobby is
is drawing.
drawing.
okay. Next question, Supratik.
Do you want to be?
Do you want to be?
What do you want to be
What do you want to be
in future?
in future?
I want to be a
I
nursing
want to be a nursing.
Now Santika, ask the question to Guinea Ghosh. Santika, you will ask and Guinea will answer. Guinea Ghosh, switch on
Okay.
your microphone.
Okay.
Guinea Ghosh, switch on your microphone first. Guinea Ghosh, where are you? Okay, Santika. Okay, ask the question.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Kini Ghosh.
My name is Kini Ghosh.
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name?
My father's name is
My
Mr.
father's
Vishwajit
name is
Singh.
Mr. Vishwajit Singh.
What is your mother's
What
name?
is your mother's name?
My mother's name is
My
Mrs.
mother's name
Supriji.
is Mrs. Supriji.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
I am 7 years old.
When is your
When
birthday?
is your birthday?
My birthday is on
My
11th
birthday
August.
is on 11th August.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where?
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 Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in Ganeshpur.
I live in Ganeshpur.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
What is the name
What
of
is
our
the
school?
name of our school?
What is the name of your school?
What is the name of
What is the
your
name
school?
of your school?
The name of our school
The
is
name
Simulia
of our
Primary
school
School.
is Simulia Primary School.
What class you are reading
What
in?
class you are reading in?
I study in class
I
1.
study in class 1.
What is your
What is
favorite
your
subject?
favorite subject?
Repeat the questions.
Repeat the questions.
What is your
What is your
favorite?
favorite?
সাবজেক্ট শুনতে পাচ্ছিস নাকি কানে?
My favorite subject is
My
Bengali.
favorite subject is Bengali.
What is your
What is
favorite?
your favorite?
My favorite dish is
My
pasta.
favorite dish is pasta.
What is your
What
favorite
is your
color?
favorite color?
My favorite color is
My
pink.
favorite color is pink.
What is your
What
favorite
is your
art?
favorite art?
আবার বল রিপিট মন দিয়ে শোন।
আমি খুব আসতে বলছি।
আমি খুব আসতে বলেছি।
What is your
What
favorite
is your
toy?
favorite toy?
My favorite toy is
My
Barbie doll.
favorite toy is Barbie doll.
What is your
What
favorite
is your
age?
favorite age?
Repeat the questions.
Repeat the questions.
What is your
What
favorite
is
pet?
your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is pasta.
My favorite pet is
My
pasta.
favorite My favorite pet is
My
rabbit.
favorite pet is rabbit.
What is your
What
favorite
is your
food?
favorite food?
My favorite sport
My
is
favorite
making
sport
building.
is making building.
What do you
What do you
dislike most?
dislike most?
I dislike beating the
I
most.
dislike beating the most.
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and
My
singing.
hobbies are drawing and singing.
What do you
What do you
have in future?
have in future?
What do you
What do you
be in future?
be in future?
I want to be a computer
I want to be
engineer
a
in the
computer
future.
engineer in the future.
Now
Thank you.
Will
Thank
ask
you.
question. Gini will ask question and Supratik Banerjee will answer. Gini asks the question. Supratik Banerjee will answer.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Supati
My
Banerjee.
name is Supati
What
Banerjee.
is your father's name?
What is your father's
My
name?
father's name is
My father's
Mr.
name is
Shantanu Banerjee.
Mr. Shantanu Banerjee.
What is your mother's name?
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is
My mother's
Mrs.
name is
Priyanka Banerjee
Mrs.
Chakraborty.
Priyanka Banerjee Chakraborty.
What is your brother's name?
What is your father's name?
My brother's name is
My mother's name is
Lover's name is Munuma
Mother's name
Chatterjee.
is Munuma Chatterjee.
What is your sister's name?
What is your sister's name?
My elder sister name is
My elder sister
Patalika
name
Banerjee.
is Patalika Banerjee.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 6 years
I
old.
am 6 years old.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 10
My
July
birthday is on 10
2015.
July 2015.
In 2015.
When you were born.
Repeat the question.
Repeat the question.
When were born?
When were born?
I was born.
I was
born
born on
10 July
10 July
2015.
2015.
I was born on 10th July in 2015.
I was born on.
I was born on
I was born on 10 July
10 July
2015.
2015.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in
I live in
Konagar.
Konagar.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Konagar.
I am from Konagar.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
In which class do you
In
study?
which class do you study?
I study in Kashmir
I
Primary.
study in Kashmir Primary.
What is the name of
What
your
is
school?
the name of your school?
The name of
The name of
our school is Uttapar
our school
Government High
is
School.
Uttapar Government High School.
What is your favorite
What is
subject?
your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
What subject is math? Mathematics.
What is your favorite dish?
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish is chicken biryani.
What dish is chicken biryani?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
Repeat the question.
Repeat the question.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is
My
red.
favorite color is red.
What is your favorite toy?
What is your favorite toy?
My favorite toy.
My
favorite toy is
favorite
remote
toy
car.
is remote car.
What is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet
My
is
favorite pet is
dog.
dog.
What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is
My
football.
favorite sport is football.
What do you dislike
What
most?
do you dislike most?
I deserve beating the most.
I deserve beating the most.
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are drawing and singing.
Hobbies are drawing and singing.
What do you want to be in
What do
future?
you want to be in future?
I want to be a pilot
I want
in
to be a
Indian Air
pilot
Force.
in Indian Air
Thank you
Force.
very much for the session.
Thank you very much for the session.
Now, this will end with Santika will ask question to Supratik Banerjee and Supratik will answer and the session will end. Santika Soren from Kolkata, you ask the questions and Supratik Banerjee will answer.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Supratik
My
Banerjee.
name is Supratik Banerjee.
What is your father's
What
name?
is your father's name?
My father's name is
My father's
Mr.
name is
Shantanu Banerjee.
Mr. Shantanu Banerjee.
What is your mother's
What
name?
is your mother's name?
My mother's name is
My
Mrs.
mother's
Priyanka
name
Banerjee
is Mrs.
Chakraborty.
Priyanka Banerjee Chakraborty.
What is your elder
What
brother's
is your
name?
elder brother's name?
My elder brother's name is
My
Monoma
elder brother's
Chatterjee.
name is Monoma Chatterjee.
What is your sister's
What
name?
is your sister's name?
My sister's name.
My sister's
My
name.
elder sister's name is.
My elder sister's
My elder
name is
sister's name is
Vakarika
Vakarika Banerjee.
Vakarika Banerjee.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Old? I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
When is your
When
birthday?
is your birthday?
My birthday is on 10
My
July.
birthday is on 10 July.
When is your birthday? Santika, when is your
When
birthday?
is your
My birthday is on
My
in
birthday
July
is on
in
July
2015.
in 2015.
When do you live?
Do you live?
Where
I
do you
live at
live?
Konongot.
I live at Konongot.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Do you live?
I live at Konongot.
I live at Konongot.
Where are you
Where
from?
are you from?
I am from Konongot.
I am from Konongot.
In Hooghly district.
In Hooghly district.
What class you
What
reading?
class you are reading?
In which class do you study? What are you studying? What are you reading, Santika Soren?
What
the
you
questions are there.
What
study?
you study in?
In which class do you study? Don't you know how to read it? In which class do you study?
In
I
which
study
class?
primary.
No. Repeat the question first, Santika Soren, then Supratik will answer.
In which class do you
In which
study?
class do you study?
I study in class
I
primary.
study in class primary.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a student.
I am a student.
What is the name
What
of our
is the name of our school?
What is the name of your school, madam? How can you do 100 times mistake? Same thing. Our means amader. Your means tomar. Don't you listen to the class? Don't you listen? Don't you read? What are you happening, madam? Your means tomader. Our means amader. Read it correctly, Santika.
What is the name
What
of
is
our
the name of our school?
Oh my God. Fair again, our. What are you doing? Santika, silent. Don't listen to the class. Why do you join after 15 minutes? Why do you join after 15 minutes? Read it correctly. Read it correctly,
What
otherwise
is-
I'll explain.
What is
your school?
your school? Your
The name of our
name
school
of
is Uttapa
our
Government High
is
School.
Uttapa Government High School.
What is
What
your
what is your
favorite
favorite subject?
Why is it favorite? I am telling you 100 times it is favorite. It is favorite. And you are doing the same mistakes. Why? Why are you doing the same mistake? I am telling you favorite, not favorite. Can you not listen to your ears? Do you not listen? What are you doing then? Why are you not learning? I am telling it is favorite. You are telling favorite. What is this? How many times will you do mistakes? More than 1000 times. For last 3 months, you are making same thing mistake for 100 times, more 400 times. What is this? So how can you learn a new thing? So Santika, how can you learn a new thing? You are doing the same mistake. I am correcting you and you are doing the same mistake. So if you are doing so, from tomorrow onwards, you don't need to join the class. You have to learn what you have learned. If you don't listen to the class, don't join in time, don't take the class. Why you are late today? Tell me. Santika, why are you late? Why are you late? Why are you late? Tell me. Why are you late?